Today, I'm going to show you how different products can be used for the same outcome. Don't feel limited to our wedding stationery section. We can offer a variety of products while impressing your guests with unique ideas. On your special day, guide your guests around the venue by presenting signs with our Foamex boards or use our roller banners to display the day's order of events. For seating arrangements, add a novel approach to the conventional place names by designing your own gift tags, enhancing the finish with Scodex to seat your guests in style. As an alternative to our Foamex boards, try our fine art prints to present your seating plan in a frame or printed onto canvas so it can be later hung at home. Instead of printing thank you cards, why not gift the wine you served on the day with a personalised label using our self-adhesive stickers as a memorable keepsake? Get creative and see what products can be adjusted to make your special day personal to you. Don't forget, we offer bespoke orders to fit your needs.